Fatigue is the most common post-COVID symptom. It can linger on from a few days to even a few months. The level of fatigue you feel is directly proportional to the severity of your disease. Generally, whenever you have a pneumonia, even if it is not a COVID pneumonia, you will always feel fatigue for a few days. Fatigue is perceived by feeling tired through the day. Even when you get up from your sleep, you will have this constant feeling and lingering feeling of tiredness. You will feel dull through the day. You will also have the inability to concentrate on some task which requires your mental concentration. In today's video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to manage with post-COVID fatigue. It will take a little bit of time, but you have to understand that you were sick and it takes some time to recover from this disease. COVID is a little bit weird like that, but with a little bit of patience, you will get through very well. The first and most important tip I'm going to give you is to stay well hydrated. Drink as much water as possible through the day. While recovering from the stress and the worries of your disease, it is very easy to have neglected your water intake. Also, having a fever might have contributed to you getting dehydrated. Always drink more than you feel you require. Do not wait to be thirsty to drink water. If you are thirsty, that means you are already dehydrated. Ensure to keep a bottle of water with you and drink small sips through the day. Consume a high protein diet. It has been noticed that COVID creates a lot of muscle wasting. This is probably why you feel a lot of aches and pains in your body. Center all your meals around a good source of protein. It doesn't matter whether you're a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian. Earmark a few sources of protein for yourself and consume these through the day on a regular basis, day after day. Get your vitamin D levels checked. The main source of vitamin D is the sun. And since you were sick and in quarantine and you did not receive a lot of sunlight, it is very likely that you are low on your vitamin D levels. If your vitamin D levels are low, start supplementing ASAP. Depending on how low they are, you can either choose to take a big dose once a week or a smaller dose on an everyday basis. Start incorporating some more activity through your day. It doesn't have to be any strenuous activity. You could even go for a gentle walk. If you find this tiring, try to break down that walk in a few parts. Go for short walks multiple times in the day. This could be difficult in the beginning because you are already tired and your body is feeling lethargic. But try to push yourself a little bit mentally and try to incorporate some more activity through your day. Practice your breathing exercises. If you are suffering from a pneumonia, it is of paramount importance that you practice your breathing exercises on a regular basis. I will link you up over here to some of my videos which I have made on breathing exercises for COVID-19. I will also put up a link at the end of this video. The last but most important tip I am going to give you is of rest and recovery. You were sick and rest and recovery is of paramount importance. Ensure that you build yourself a good routine around bedtime. Ensure that you sleep for long enough. Do not force yourself to wake up on the alarm bell. Start out your mornings slowly. Do bear in mind that your fatigue is not going to recover overnight. You will need to have a little bit of patience. However, if your fatigue is not improving on a day-to-day basis, please do contact your doctor. Also contact your doctor if you have any other symptoms besides fatigue. I hope this video has given you some value and I wish you a speedy recovery. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Like this video. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Signing out, Dr. Rohan Fonseca.